Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through Sit and Reach test. The Sit and Reach test is a standard fitness assessment that measures the flexibility of the lower back and hamstring muscles. It is commonly used by coaches, fitness trainers, and other physical medical professionals, but can also be conducted by individuals at home. The test involves sitting on a flat surface with legs extended straight ahead and feet flat against a box or measuring device. The person then reaches forward with both hands as far as possible while keeping their legs straight and feet flat against the box. The measurements correlate to a specific score, with excellent being below 40 centimeters, good being 30 to 40 centimeters, average being 20 to 30 centimeters, fair being 10 to 20 centimeters, and poor being anything under 10 centimeters. The test can be performed multiple ways, including with or without shoes, with or without a warm-up, and with or without assistance from a partner or coach. Measuring flexibility can positively impact overall performance and injury risk, which makes this test a popular choice for easy assessment. To complete, download our PDFs. You'll need to fill out the key information, read the instructions and gather the relevant equipment, complete 2 trials and list the best score, and then find the relevant interpretation for final results. To use this test in Carepatron, click on the Templates tab. There you can filter by assessment and by community. If you'd like to find the note faster, type in the keywords Sit and Reach. Click on the template by selecting Choose Template and then select your client. This will bring up the Draft tab where you can edit information as you wish, and once you're happy, click Publish to complete.